Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Nishi. If you are a beginner, then this tutorial is essential for you, and I'm making a whole series on basic French lessons on my channel. So if you are willing to learn this language, then please consider subscribing my channel and press the bell icon to get notified all the time. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to count from 0 to 20 in French. These 21 numbers are important, as these will help you to count any kind of number in French. So please stay with me. At first, we will count from 0 to 10. So let's get started. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now listen once again, and if you want, this time repeat with me. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and this. Now from 11 to 20. 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Let's listen once again and repeat with me if you want. 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Okay, now time to repeat from the first to the last. Can you count with me now? Yes, I know you can. So let's do it. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 and 19 20. Let's play a little game. There are two columns, column A and column B, and you have to match them. For example, this one goes with this one. 5 sunk, just like this. Now your turn. I'm giving you some time, so try to do it. Start. Yes, try it. I know you can. I think you did well. See the results now. 17, 17, 9, 9, 20, 20, 3, 4, 10, this. Please let me know how was it for you. I know this tutorial is little hard, so my suggestion is to watch this video a couple of times and practice, and eventually you'll learn it. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. If you like this tutorial, give a thumbs up and comment below if you have any question. A bientôt, au revoir. Bye bye.